Hi, I am Miss Bubbles. Do you know that just by using the sounds of letters like A, B, C, D, we can make real words? We are going to play sound game called CVC. That means consonant, vowel, consonant. We will start slowly, then go faster, then blend it all to make a word. Let's sound it out slowly. Ba, ah, t. Ba, ah, t. Let's say it faster. Ba, ah, t. Ba, ah, t. Let's blend them together. Bat, bat, bat. Yes, it's bat. Flap your wings like a bat. Let's sound it out slowly. Ha, ah, t. Ha, ah, t. Let's say it faster. Ha, ah, t. Ha, ah, t. Let's blend them together. Ha, at. Ha, at. Hat. Yes, it's hat. This is a red hat. Let's sound it out slowly. At. At. Let's say it faster. At. At. Let's blend them together. At. At. Mat. Yes, it's mat. Step on the mat. Step, step, step. Let's sound it out slowly. At. At. Let's say it faster. At. At. Let's blend them together. At. At. Rat. Yes, it's rat. Squeak like a rat. Squeak, squeak. Let's sound it out slowly. K, at. K, at. Let's say it faster. K, at. Let's blend them together. K, at. K, at. Cat. Yes, it's cat. This is a cat. Let's meow. 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 Yay! Let's sound it out slowly. At. At. Let's say it faster. At. Let's blend them together. Fat, fat. Yes, it's fat. Blow up like a balloon. Yay! Wow, you are amazing word builders. Let's shout out all the new words. Bat, hat, cat, rat, fat. Yahoo! You are amazing! Give yourself a big clap.